Hello, I wanted to take a moment to show you how we are going to social distance in the gym this year. We created 15 6-foot grids. So they are 7 feet from the next box going this way, and they're 10 feet from the next box going that way. There's 5 in this row. There's 5 in this row. And then there are 5 in this row. And as students come in, we also put 6-foot stickers on the benches. And that's where they're going to place any equipment, water bottles, other materials they may have. This is going to be my cart to transfer equipment inside and outside. Here's my whiteboard that the students will be looking at. The plan of the day, icon statement, warm-up time, lesson focus time, reflection time. Then I have my Bose radio, my markers, my lessons in the container. And then over here, a poster of our beginning activity. It's going to be working on the overhand throw. Throwing binders are going to be the Minnesota Standards, Shape America grade level outcomes, and then finally the icon statements, which would be great resources to have throughout the year. Again, over here, 6-foot placement on the whiteboard, on our benches. And then as students leave, we have more 6-foot markers spread apart around the gym. And at most, we should have 15 per class. This year, I'll be teaching 40 different classes, grades 1 through 5, of 12 to 15 students at a time. And that is my gym and setup.